Welcome to Tech Goods.
The 5 best spark plugs in 2026
that can boost performance, improve fuel efficiency, and ensure smooth engine starts. Whether you are a car enthusiast or a daily driver, this list will help you choose the right option. Stay tuned until the end, and links in the description. Let's get started. Now enjoy the full video today. Number 5. The ACDelco Gold 2 19307138 Rapidfire spark plug is a premium quality replacement part designed to deliver reliable ignition performance and long-lasting durability. Built with a copper core, it provides excellent heat transfer, which helps maintain optimal combustion temperatures inside the engine. This efficient heat management contributes to better performance and reduces the risk of overheating during extended driving conditions. One of the key features of this spark plug is the platinum-enhanced center electrode. It delivers strong and consistent spark characteristics while reducing the voltage demand on the ignition system. This helps improve starting efficiency and supports smoother engine operation over time. The solid-state suppressor design, combined with a 2-piece glass and brass seal, helps reduce radio frequency interference while also protecting against high combustion pressures. The ribless insulator design improves the seal between the plug and the boot, ensuring stable connection and reduced energy loss. This results in more consistent ignition performance and better overall engine responsiveness. The nickel-top material further enhances durability and resistance to wear, making it suitable for long-term use in a variety of driving conditions. ACDelco Gold parts are engineered to meet strict specifications for fit, form, and function, especially for General Motors vehicles such as Grand Am and Corvette, while also being compatible with many other makes and models. This makes it a versatile option for drivers seeking dependable aftermarket replacement parts. Overall, this spark plug offers a balance of durability, efficiency, and reliable ignition performance, making it a strong choice for maintaining engine health and improving driving consistency over time. Number 4. The NGK LKR7DIX11S Iridium 9 Spark Plug 4-Pack is designed for drivers who want high-performance ignition and long-lasting reliability. Built with an Iridium core, it offers exceptional durability because Iridium has an extremely high melting point, making it highly resistant to heat and electrical wear. This makes it especially suitable for modern high-performance engines used in both cars and trucks. One of the standout features of this spark plug is the 0.6mm laser-welded fine iridium tip. This design improves ignitability and ensures a consistently strong and stable spark, which leads to smoother engine starts and better throttle response. Drivers can feel improved acceleration and more efficient combustion, which contributes to overall engine performance. The tapered ground electrode is another important feature, as it helps minimize the electrical quenching effect. This allows the spark to ignite the air-fuel mixture more effectively, improving fuel efficiency and engine responsiveness. In addition, the corrugated ribs on the insulator are designed to prevent flashover, ensuring that the spark remains stable even under demanding conditions. The triple gasket seal is engineered to eliminate combustion gas leakage, which helps maintain optimal engine pressure and performance. The trivalent metal plating also provides excellent resistance against corrosion and seizing, making installation and removal easier over time. With a resistor value of 5 kilo-ohm, it also helps reduce electrical interference for smoother operation. Overall, the NGK Iridium 9 spark plug delivers strong ignition performance, enhanced durability, and improved engine efficiency, making it a reliable upgrade for performance-focused drivers seeking consistent and long-lasting results. Number 3. The APR Iridium Pro Spark Plug Z1003100 is a high-performance ignition component designed specifically for select Volkswagen Group MQB and MLB engine platforms, including Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche models. Built with premium iridium material, it delivers excellent durability, strong spark performance, and reliable ignition efficiency for both daily driving and performance-focused applications. One of the main strengths of this spark plug is its advanced iridium electrode, which is known for its exceptional resistance to heat and corrosion. This allows the plug to operate efficiently under high-temperature conditions while maintaining consistent combustion quality. The iridium construction also requires less voltage to produce a strong spark, which helps improve ignition stability and overall engine responsiveness. This model features a copper core combined with a heat range rating of 9, making it a colder plug designed for high-performance environments. It helps regulate combustion temperatures more effectively, especially in engines that have been modified or tuned for higher boost levels. This ensures stable performance even under demanding driving conditions. The APR Iridium Pro spark plug is engineered as a direct fit replacement for several original equipment part numbers, making installation straightforward for compatible vehicles. It is designed to support both stock and upgraded engines, offering flexibility for a wide range of users. When paired with compatible ignition coils, it can further enhance engine efficiency and power delivery. With compatibility across numerous Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche models, this spark plug stands out as a reliable performance upgrade. Overall, it provides durability, improved ignition quality, and consistent engine performance, making it a strong choice for enthusiasts seeking dependable power and long-term reliability. Number 2. The NGK 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5 GP 8-Pack is a reliable ignition solution designed for both cars and trucks that require consistent performance and long-lasting durability. Built with a platinum core and platinum top material, these spark plugs are engineered to deliver stable ignition, improved fuel efficiency, and smooth engine operation over extended use. One of the key advantages of this spark plug set is its ability to operate over a much wider heat range compared to standard spark plugs. This allows the engine to maintain efficient combustion under different driving conditions, whether in city traffic or long highway journeys. The platinum construction also enhances resistance to wear, ensuring a longer service life and reducing the need for frequent replacements. Another important feature is its resistance to carbon buildup and pre-ignition. This helps maintain cleaner engine performance and reduces the risk of misfires, which can negatively affect fuel economy and engine responsiveness. As a result, drivers can expect smoother starts and more consistent power delivery. The patented triple gasket sealing process is designed to eliminate the possibility of combustion gas leakage. This ensures that the spark plug maintains a secure seal within the engine, supporting optimal compression and improving overall efficiency. The thread size of 14 by 1.25 millimeters makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including both passenger cars and light trucks. Overall, the NGK G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5 GP offer durability, efficiency, and reliable ignition performance. They are an excellent choice for drivers who want long-lasting spark plugs that help maintain engine health and consistent driving performance over time. Number 1. The KAX 6-pack ignition coils and double iridium spark plug set is a complete ignition upgrade solution designed for a wide range of Ford, Lincoln, and related vehicle models. It is engineered to improve engine performance, enhance ignition efficiency, and deliver consistent power output for both cars and trucks. With its broad compatibility across models such as Ford Edge, Explorer, F-150, Mustang, Transit Series, and Lincoln MKX, MKS, and MKT, this set provides a convenient, all-in-one replacement option for worn ignition components. One of the key highlights of this set is its rapid ignition response. The coils are designed to deliver high-voltage output with an ignition speed of approximately 0.1 to 0.2 seconds. This allows the engine to start faster and run more smoothly, reducing hesitation during acceleration. The result is a more responsive driving experience with improved combustion efficiency across various driving conditions. The double iridium spark plugs included in the set are built for durability and long service life. Iridium is known for its excellent resistance to heat and wear, which helps maintain a stable and strong spark over time. This contributes to smoother engine operation, better fuel efficiency, and reduced misfires. Together with the ignition coils, the system ensures consistent power delivery and reliable performance. Installation is straightforward due to its direct fit design, which matches original equipment specifications. This makes it suitable for users who prefer a hassle-free replacement process without complex modifications. Each component is carefully designed to integrate seamlessly with the vehicle's ignition system. Overall, the KAX ignition coil and spark plug set offers strong ignition performance, durability, and wide vehicle compatibility, making it a practical and efficient upgrade for maintaining engine reliability and smooth operation. That wraps up our list of the 5 best spark plugs in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the right option for your vehicle and improved your understanding of what to look for. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates. Thanks for watching. and we will see you in the next video. Everyone stay tuned and take care.